Now this trick is the very best trick to learn as a beginner magician. Let me show you what I mean. First of all, we're going to take this deck of cards, so we're going to choose a random playing card for you. So let's go through, and we'll go for this one just here, whatever that is. That happens to be the Four of Hearts. We'll take the Four of Hearts, we'll bury it right here in the center of the deck, just like that. Now it's important to realize that your card is not here on the top of the deck. Your card is not here on the bottom of the deck. But if I snap my fingers just like this, your card comes here back to the top of the deck. Now I'll show you that again. If I take your card and bury it right here, right in the center, just like that, it's important to realize your card is not on the top of the deck. Your card is not on the bottom of the deck. However, if I snap my fingers, your card comes back here to the top of the deck. I'll show you that one last time. If I take your card and place it right here into the center of the deck, and I snap my fingers, it comes right back to the top of the... Oh, hang on a second. If I snap my fingers, it comes to the bottom of the deck. Oh, hang on. If I snap my fingers, it comes back here to the top of the deck. Oh, hang on a second. Your card, it goes right here underneath the card box. And that's the best trick to learn as a beginner magician. Now, I can do this trick with pure sleight of hand, but you don't need sleight of hand to do this. All you need is this trick deck. Now, it's very easy to do, and if you want to learn to amaze your friends, all you need to do is to drop down to the description below, click on the link and purchase this deck of cards. Now, if you click on that link, yes, I will earn a small commission for your purchase. However, if you drop me a message and let me know that you bought your trick from that link down below, I will drop you a video which will teach you how to do that very same routine. And you can do it so easy without sleight of hand. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and go out there and amaze your friends.